Welcome to the Bambar Studios channel. My name is Liz and I am here to help you reach all of your fitness and strength goals at home. So be sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications so that you never miss one of our weekly workouts. Today I have a full body lazy girl workout for you, and that means whether you took some time off, you're getting back into the swing of things gently, slowly, or if you just don't feel like standing today. That's completely fine and completely normal. We all feel like that some days. This is the perfect workout for you. You don't even need to stand. Everything's on the mat, no equipment needed. Just press play and just try, just do your best. If you want to warm up, I will link one here, but I will say this workout is pretty gentle. You can jump right in if you don't have the time to warm up first. So let's get started. We are starting with a crunch to extend. So I want you to get on the mat like this, crunch in, hold your knees in, and then extend both your arms and legs back out. So use your core to pull your knees in, bring your chest up, and then extend out. Think of creating space between your chin and chest. Good. Moving slowly in a way that feels good. Perfect. All right, now we're gonna bring our feet to the mat. We're gonna do a glute bridge march. So option one or level one is a glute bridge, like so. But if you want to take it up a notch, you can hold that glute bridge and one at a time, march your legs like so. So pressing into each heel, putting all your body weight into that one side, and then driving that knee up. Good. Keep your hips up and your hips even. Good. Next, we're going to do a dead bug. So low back pressed in the mat, bringing your knees up above your hips, hands above your shoulders. You can stay here, or one at a time, straighten your one leg and bring the opposite hand behind you. You can also keep that bend in that knee too, to make it a heel touch. Good. Good. Let's lie on one side for these next two exercises. You're going to straighten out your bottom leg, and I want you to lift that top leg up just a couple inches. Then you're going to drive that knee forward and then kick it back behind you. So keeping that leg elevated, not resting it on the ground or your knee on the ground or on your other foot. We're holding that, we're working the abductors, our outer thighs, our outer glutes, by keeping that foot elevated and then working our core and our glutes with this kickback. Good. Next, we're going to put that top foot down, behind your leg, and we're going to point this bottom foot, hand behind your head, and then do a inner thigh toe touch. Go through the full range of motion, bringing your hand behind your head, just to work the shoulders a little bit, working the core and the inner thigh. Pressing up in this shoulder here, to not cause any neck pain. Perfect. All right, now we are going to flip over to our stomach, and we are going to do modified push-ups. So you can, of course, go to your feet, but I want you to walk your hands to one side, do a push-up, and then walk your hands to the other side of your mat. If this is too much for today, you can do cobra push-ups where your stomach is on the ground like this, but try and do a modified push-up, see how you feel. Good. All right. Next, we're going to do a back extension with pulsing. So, stomach on the ground now, hands in front of you. You're going to lift your chest off the ground and put your hands like this. So, pulsing one at a time, working the shoulders, working the back, keeping your lower body on the mat. You can rest if you need to, and then come right back into it. So feel your back and your shoulders. Great. Now we're going to go to that other side that we did. We did the other side before. We're going to do those two movements on this side. So knee drive to kick back. Good. So straighten that leg, feel that glute engage, and feel your core engage at the top here. Inhale. Perfect. All right, top leg on the ground. We're going to do that inner thigh V-sit. So, hand behind you, point your toe, and just reach towards your legs. Again, push out here. I don't want you like sinking into this shoulder. I want you pushing out long lines. Last one. Perfect. And last exercise is a straight leg sit up. So you're going to start on the mat, hands above you, and just roll up, sit up like this, and then slowly roll back down to the ground. Good. Done. All right. That was our whole workout. You're done. If you didn't feel like working out today, you did it. So I'm very proud of you. Good job for staying consistent. If you have enough time and you want to do maybe a second or third round, feel free to restart this video and get even more out of your energy today. And I will see you next time on the mat. If you enjoyed this workout video, make sure to join me on bandbarstudios.com. There you'll get access to over 200 exclusive workouts, free challenges, form videos for over 100 exercises, workout tips, and more to help you on your health and fitness journey. If you're not a Bandbar Studio member yet, check the description below for promo codes and click on that link to start your free trial today. See you next time on the mat.